All right, let's go. Let's map this out here. We're gonna map out our zones for today, y'all. We go to the hourly. Okay, and then we're gonna map these zones out. So what I like to do is find the most um, rejected and support areas, which happens to be here at our 7 a.m. candle. Okay, all these rejections here, we're here, and then same thing here at our 3 a.m., 4 a.m., uh, 3 a.m. candle right here. Okay, boom. And then another one. This is a good zone right there. Okay. All right. So these are going to be our zones. So basically, anything above here, we go up. Usually, when prices far away from VWAP, overextended, typically when market opens, price likes to come back down, retest this area to see if we hold support to keep going up, or if we don't, to keep coming down to your next levels here. It already looks like we're on this kind of downtrend here too, so I do want to get into a short. Okay.
Order filled.
I don't like how we're doing that. We should not have these preferences saying stuff like that. Let's turn off. Okay. Typically, when you come down into here, into this zone, this could also be an area for bounce. Okay. But since market's about to open, um, I really feel like the liquidity is lower, 970 into 920. Okay, so we'll see if we can get this come down. Here's our previous VWAP band levels here too, and we went all the way up to 28,000. Let me call my guy. Road boy. Hey, you on?
Dog, I'm smoking a blunt. Relax.
Yo, don't tell me to get on and then you're over here, blowing
I
up.
just tried to get on before I rolled the blunt, and you weren't even on.
Oh, okay. Well, I was on the Discord or whatever. But all right, well then let me text me when you're on, man. I'm on here live, okay? Awesome. All right. So this is looking like it wants to hold right here. If we do break past here, the slope and resistance right here, I'm probably gonna cut it because I don't want to be getting past this zone like that. Because then it could just keep flying off the shelf here. We really want this thing to come back down into our lower zone here. 5 minutes. Yeah, we don't want that. We don't want that. We don't want. Man, look at this thing. Just got all type of fire today. Okay. Yeah, bro. Look at that W forming. Hmm. So let's see here. Yeah, this thing just flying off the shelf here. We're gonna wait. We're gonna wait this one. We ain't playing that. We got our zones mapped out, y'all. This is market open. 4 minutes. All right, I'll be back. I'll be back. Oh my gosh. Ugh. Ugh, shit. Mhm.
Yes, sir. I mean, look, commercial revenue is up 133%, government revenue up 84%. They raised full year guidance. This is really just two things. It's about valuation and it's about expectations. I am bullish on Panther. This is one of the great American success stories. But when you look at it as an investor, it's gone a lot really quickly, and the bar continues to get higher and higher. So I think this is a name where it'll still outperform the market over the next 3 years, but it may not be a name that you're going to double your money in a short period of time. So we like it, but expectations are high, valuations are high. So I think we see consolidation before it gets higher. Got it. Why are you a micro super bull? Is that wrong? Yeah. Man, I'll tell you, Micron is trading at one of the lowest levels when you look at the sector as a whole on Wall Street. But Micron trades at 9 times forward. Sure, if you compare that to AMD, trading at 60 times forward, Micron generates 5 times more profit than AMD, and it trades at a multiple that's 5 times less than AMD. Stuart, can you tell me how that makes sense? So I think Wall Street's getting this wrong. And Wall Street has punished memory stocks because of the cyclicality, the up and down profit of their business. I think it's different. I think we're getting long-term contracts. I think memory. I still think this is I told you to buy it, Stuart, last summer at $98. I said to buy this summer. I think this is $1,000 stock. You still double your money than you'd be buying today. Whoa, $1,000 stock in the next year or 2 years or what? I think within 24 months, you see $1,000 price tag. Than the S&P 500. Stocks. You see a boom, but stocks covered. Some of them.
Okie dokie choky. All right. Man, look at that. Shoot. Oh, look at it pop. Look at it go. Still going. Still got room to run. Mm-hmm. The market. So basically what I'm doing is, price always likes to reject around like 40 or 50 area. Worst case 62 over here if you look to the right. So market's open. 1 minute into open. This is already looking kind of weak though. Let's see if we can get in here. Okay, and push this thing down to VWAP. It was a terrible entry. Terrible entry. Terrible entry. Should have been a little more patient there. See if we can get down here to our zone. If price gets above here, I'll cut it. Don't call me, please. Let me shut my ringer off. Alright, so terrible entry on my short. However, I do think we want to get lower here this morning. That's where the liquidity is lower. But if we can't get below this line here, then obviously we'll have an issue there. Okay, so again, terrible entry. Literally caught the freaking bottom on that. But if we do go above this, I will get out. How to cut this turd.
Yeah, so beat on the top and the bottom line. There are new products that are offsetting the decline in some of the COVID vaccines, of course, and are seeing some slowing sales. And so revenue from recently acquired
Okay, I'm out.
jumped 22%. Let's do it. I'm on my
Maybe
notes
we can
here.
get back up here around the 40s or 50s. I mean, the market just never wants to come down here. It is push, up and away. We are coming up to a nice trend line here.
Yeah, thank you. So revenue beat, but a little bit of a profit miss. That's why you're only up 0.5%. There's again ongoing restructuring, some tariff pressure. The CEO has launched sort of this back to growth strategy. This has been a company in the last couple of years.
This was definitely a fake out candle right there, y'all. Look, straight fake. Looked like it was right about to dump and just.
Let's remember, Frontier made a bid for Spirit before JetBlue did many years ago. So they had a narrower loss than expected, but shares were down 1% because they had a weak.
Super bullish. All the trend lines are pointing straight up. Super bullish. Above our zone. Held this area. So let's see here. $7.75, 45. Okay.
Yeah, because again, it's trading at like 233 times over PE, but otherwise the numbers were really strong.
I definitely think 28,056, 25 or 53 is a good area for entry. It's close to our purple trend line up there. And look, we've been running all night, so obviously we need a break under this trend line to keep going down. Okay, we made the W. Had the fake out here, which got me right there. I wanted to flush. It didn't. I cut here, took a loss. However, this is getting to a good area for rejection. See if we can ride that rejection. Okay. 34. I thought I had it around 40. How do I get 34? All right, let's see if we can get one right here. Split the difference. Look at this thing. More power, more power, more power. 55. Get down. If we get past 63, I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna cut one. We don't want to keep going past 63, yo. That's my that's my cut number. I'm getting really close to the trend line now. Okay, I'm cutting that and get a little higher. So we ended at 53 so far. We should get a little pullback, but again, if we can't break under the 9, this thing's going to keep going up. We can't break under these lines, it's going to keep going up. But this is a really good rejection zone right here, right by our trend line to really start to come down here and reject here. So we'll see how much we can get out of this. Boom. Okay. I would really like to get down here into this zone here. So we'll see if we can do that, y'all. Again, this is a really good rejection area because we're right by on our trend line here. Our higher time frame trend line. You see how we bounce here off the 9? I don't like that. So if this candle goes higher than this red one, I may expect to go a little bit higher. I don't like that. We look on the heat map. We do got orders at 75 and 100. So hopefully we don't keep pounding up there. And if we do get up there, then we break above our higher time. What? It's just a black screen. What? Okay. Why is it just a black screen? Reload.